Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. We have raised the bar on the tomatoes. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. We literally raised the bar. The bar, guys, that you've been watching all winter long cover up my tomato plants. My husband has raised up, and we have trellised these tomatoes. And I have some plants, guys, that are 7.5 to 8 feet tall. We are just incredibly amazed at how well these bushes have done. You can see I've got tomatoes hanging off everywhere. We are so excited. Hoping to get quite a few of these. We'll be doing another video on maybe making some sauces and stuff whenever we start to get a big harvest, which I expect is going to start coming. And we are just now, guys, it's March the 22nd or March the 23rd, and we have got such a great head start on the garden. Let me show you what else is going on. My goodness gracious, guys, spring has sprung, and boy, do we have lots of greenery in this high tunnel. My radishes are looking great. I see some in there that need to be picked. I'll be picking those and enjoying them. My Napa cabbage, I cannot be more happier than with this Napa cabbage. I'm so excited for that to come in. You can see my spinach has started to bolt because we have been very warm, but I think I'm going to make me some cream of spinach soup here, guys, here real soon. And there are my eggplants. These are my lettuces, my kale, my broccoli, my butter beans, or my black-eyed butter beans. I've got my pickling cucumbers. There are my cantaloupes, my French petite, and here are my salad cucumbers. So excited. These beets have got to come up out of the ground this week. We'll finish canning them, and then we will use this room to get some bush beans in the ground, and you can see those are coming up. So beets will be history this time next week. Let's come over here to our pinto beans. They are looking great. The kohlrabi is looking great. My husband's strawberries are looking great, and the blackberry bush is continuing to bud out. And now on to my plants, guys, that we're going to be selling. Gosh, my husband has worked so hard on seed starting and fertilizing and transplanting. So we are going to have quite a few of these plants to sell here in our local area for those that want to get a jump start on their garden, and we are just so excited about it. I did let some folks know at work today. I work for a global company, and I had a very good response on people interested in TNT. I'll be responding to your email here this evening. We also have some flowers coming in. There are our marigolds. They are doing fantastic. Here are the Perone and the Tommy Toe tomatoes. We have some California Wonder. And these are the petunias that we'll be starting our hanging baskets in. We have a nice swath of beefsteak tomatoes that are coming up that we'll be transplanting into 4-inch pots. We'll put a couple of these in the ground, but most likely these will be sold as well. And then we have all kinds of different flowers in these seed starters. My husband did go ahead and he got some miniature or some little pumpkins and some watermelon seeds. We'll be getting those in the ground. And then we've started some zinnias. Not so sure that this is the route we will go. We'll probably do plant direct, soil direct, because they do come up very well when you just throw them out and lightly rake them and keep them moistened. And then we have some more beefsteaks over here. Wicking tubs are doing absolutely fantastic. Look at those potatoes, guys. I took one of my cabbages and made a cabbage soup this past weekend. It was so good, and it was the most beautifulest cabbage I ever seen. But let's go on down the line and look at my wicking tubs. We've got various tomatoes and peppers planted in these. We have some cabbage, and we have some pumpkins. Now, these wicking tubs will not stay in this high tunnel for pumpkins. My husband has a better idea, and we'll update you on that. But we planted these for my grandson, and he's so excited, and we're hoping that we'll get some pumpkins out of it. And there is my Swiss chard. And then we have a couple more wicking tubs with peppers and tomatoes in them. Here is a view of the high tunnel. And look again at those tomato plants. Just simply amazing. So we had 2 lines of very strong thunderstorms roll through last night. My weather station recorded a 51-mile-an-hour gust. It was quite scary. But we did survive. The high tunnel did fantastic. We had a little bit of pea-sized hail. It was very brief, praise the Lord. It came through and went on through real quick. But we did pick up about an inch of rain, which we desperately need this time of year, guys. But you can see we're continuing on to work this here high tunnel. We are very happy with our results. We couldn't be happier, I don't think. And we are planning on ordering our second high tunnel in the next month or so. We have some things we got to take care of and get the ground ready back there, but we'll be doing that real soon. And we've got lots of plans for our property out here, so you want to stay tuned. There's going to be some changes, but they're going to be great changes. We are preparing for my retirement, and I'm very excited, and we will keep you updated on the route that we have decided to go, especially for our high tunnels and for the property, so you want to stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. We appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for your continued prayers, and we will be in touch.